All right, hello. Tonight from the Clean Paleo One Pot Meals book, I am making what's called salsa chicken and Mexican cauliflower rice. So I'm really excited about it. The chicken is what looks the most amazing. So check it out. Just the picture, yummy. So let's see. We've done the chicken. It's waiting to be cooked. I'm actually cooking it a little bit different than she did because I don't have a pan big enough. I'm making the bell peppers, and then now I'm about to make the pico. And once this cooks, I'm adding the cauliflower rice and making the pico. Gonna cook the chicken on the grill, and yeah, all right. My pico. I didn't chop it up as fine as I normally do, but I was kind of in a hurry. So there you go. Okay, I just put the cauliflower rice in and the seasonings and the lime juice. And I use Trader Joe's organic frozen cauliflower rice. I really like it. It tastes really good. And it doesn't take very long to cook, which is nice. There it is, folks.
That just means you're
the
gonna be
finished
tall.
product. You
What?
can kind of see the grilled chicken there. We added black beans because we have hungry boys eating, and they need a few more calories.